everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to come in and share with you guys. I bought the Pink and Main limited edition. I think it's a limited edition Christmas kit. I bought it. It was on sale. They did a deal a day. And I just happened to pay the email attention. I decided to buy one of their kits because I never had one, just to see what I would possibly get. So, yeah, and everything came super fast. And they had a beautiful box and then nice wrapping paper. And this card was in the box. All right, so let me show you what I got. In the box, we got some glitter paper. And then these cardstocks. So you can see the color scheme. You know, it was right up my alley. That's the color scheme. And then everything else comes in this beautiful pouch that you can reuse. So we got this pretty paper pad. So this is going to be the video of me filming what the before. Oh, man. I thought I had opened this. And then I'll come back and hopefully I can make some cards. And I'll come back and show you what I made. I'm filming this video Christmas Eve. But I know I'm not going to have it up soon. But I have been working a lot. And I just haven't had time to craft. This is so pretty. I got to get me another one of these pads. Showing you just the... Let me see where it stopped. Okay, yeah. And you know, blue is my favorite color. So you know I'm automatically drawn to that. Look at that. Oh, so pretty and cheerful. So loving. And then we start over again. You get, yeah, 24 sheets. So that's fun. You got a big stamp set. Those are the stamps. You got some envelopes. This is a embossing folder by Doris. I do not have. Those. Got some tags. Sequence pack. Flowers and wood pieces. We got some ribbon. And this button came in. I think this kit was called Be Merry. Okay, and then I was so surprised, you guys. They sent inside of the box a thank you for your order. And look what I got. I had already ripped the bag by mistake, so. They sent me this die set for free. Isn't that nice? So, all right, you guys. Like I said, I'm going to attach the rest of the video to this. This is just the first part. And hopefully I can come back and show you what I made with this kit. You guys have a blessed day. I'll attach the rest, hopefully. Bye. All right, everybody. I am back. I can't remember when I did the initial video, but this is in January. So, yeah, let me show you what I made. I made 10 cards, and I have supplies and stuff left because I went on the simple side, of course. All right. This is one of them. And then I added, you know, some things as well. Be merry. So I'm already got my Christmas stuff going. I just need to actually send the stuff out. That's the hard part. Here's another one. And what I did was I took this, all of them are simple on the inside, the design, and made it twice. And they're just card sketches. Here's one. And like I said, they're all the same, so it's no need of me keep flipping on the inside. I just use scraps. This is another one. And then that is that paper. I did add some of my own paper. Y'all know I like thick bases, so I did add some. That's that one. Wish that reach was cute, and I used some glossy accent. Trying to see what I do with the other one like that. But here's one right here. I just work with the paper. I mean, I guess it's challenging for me because I would never having to learn how to work these patterns together. So that's another one. See, I use the glossy accent with the sparkle at the bottom. Then I put the glossy accent on top. Here's this one. Same thing. You can see why glossy accent. Like I said, these been made a couple of weeks now. So I done forgot some of the stuff. That's that one. And right here, that tag was slick. So I didn't feel like searching for my stays on. So I stamped and it smudged. I didn't let it dry. So I just added on top. And then there's another one, the red. So those are my 10 cards I got out of the kit. And like I said, I have enough to make some more. So I hope you guys like them. Like I said, very festive. The blue, of course, is what drew me to it because it's my favorite color. The lighter shades of blue. Some are thicker than others. And hopefully they won't cost a lot to mail because they do weigh them and all that kind of good stuff. All right, you guys, I'll be back with another video. Bye.